All right, today I got this myQ garage door opener control thing. It's a smart controller, so I can control it with an app. So let's see what it comes with. Here's the box. Looks like some kind of mounting thing. Let's see. Chamberlain smart control guide. We'll use that. Okay. Power. And then another sensor thing. Okay, so let's hook it up. All right, so it looks like the instructions aren't the actual instructions. You have to download the app to get the install instructions. So we'll do that and we'll install everything. All right, so here in my garage, I have this Chamberlain Whisper Drive garage door opener, and there's a few different compatible models, but I think this is one of them. So we're gonna hook it up and see how it goes. All right, first I'm just supposed to plug this thing in. All right, so after I connected my device to my phone and Wi-Fi, it updated my software, and now the update is complete. All right, so on this other device, we're going to remove this tab. Test and release the button. I'm going to pair the devices. Press and release the button again to All right, looks like that was a successful pairing. Okay, now it's paired. Okay, so now we're going to actually install the hardware on the wall. All right, so we need to install the door sensor, and I'm going to put it right here. Right here. Okay, so the package comes in with some screws and this double-sided tape, and we're just going to take out that double-sided tape, and we're going to install it to the back of the sensor. So in the back, there's some serial numbers and things like that, and I don't want to cover that up, so I'm going to put the tape such that it doesn't cover up my serial numbers. I'm going to use some alcohol to clean the surface. All right, I got the back stickers on, the adhesives. Press it up real tight. Make sure it's on secure. All right, so next we're going to need to pair the opener with your garage door opener. And these garage door openers will have some kind of learning button that you need to get to. So this is the learning button right there, that purple one. All right, and be careful. Make sure that if the garage opens while you're pairing, that everything's okay. So make sure nothing's in the way, just like it's normal operation, just in case the garage does open or close. All right, I got the Chamberlain. And it's going to ask you which type, and you see we saw mine was the purple type. We're just going to say we found it, and it's purple. So we're going to press the purple button. Now don't press it too long because you'll put it in reset mode, so just give it a one press. All right, so that green light says it's in learning mode. And we're going to go to the next step. So now it's pairing, and let's see with this thing plugged in. All right, so if you saw my lights just flash, that's the sign that it paired successfully. Oh, there, the door just opened. See? Good thing we left everything clear. Okay, looks like it's successfully paired. Let's go to the next step. All right, we're going to name this garage door. Okay, that's a good name. If you have a second sensor, I only have a single car garage, so I'm gonna say next. Now to install the hub, we're gonna install the hub next. Got my drill ready, and it says to find a spot for your hub somewhere around there. So one thing you need to know is that you need to have a place where you could plug it in. So for me, with all my junk over there, that's where I'm going to install it on the wall because I have a plug access. So I'm just going to put it right there. It's a good spot. Okay, first for the mounting pad, I'm just going to mark the holes. And I'm just going to use this drill bit because my pencil is not long enough. So this will do. Alright, so I can see the two holes. Alright, using a 532 drill bit. Okay. Alright, going to put in the wall anchors to both sides. Okay, so for this mounting bracket, there's an up arrow. And it tells you this is the screw side, so don't screw it on this side. You want to put the screw in here. Now don't tighten it too much. There's not a whole lot of weight being held up, so you don't want to tighten the heck out of this. If you're not confident with the power drill, use a hand screwdriver. Okay, looks like the pegs are here, so I'm going to have to put it on there and then turn it. See those pegs? And there's a slot for it to slide in. Okay. There, so you want the logo up, of course, so if you could read it, you're in good shape. Next step is to plug it in, and remember, we chose the side of my garage where there was a plug outlet. The other side, there's no plug outlet. So that's important. Okay, plugged in and powered up. Alright, let's give it a shot. It says my door is closed, which it is, so there we go. The sensor knew it was closed and now it's opening, and let's make sure. Yep, it says the door's open. So let's see. We'll close it. Alright. Looks like it's giving a warning to anybody who might be here. Hey, get ready, I'm gonna close the door. There's the close. Alright. Setup's working well. Good luck, guys. So as far as setting up your myQ garage door opener, sensor, smart door opener thing, you're done. That's it. So everything else you would set up according to the app, how you prefer to have your settings, and you guys could do that yourself, but just the install is really that easy, and that's it. So I'll leave a link in the description for one of these, but I got it on sale on Amazon Prime Day. I think it was like $17 or something, so I figured I'd give it a shot. So I don't know what the price is now, but you could check. I'll leave a link down there for you.